Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will show you top 7 best AI agents coin. These coins has potential to be the next $1 billion cryptos and can give us 1,000x return here. This video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here because friends, AI agent is a new category going to fast his first mega bullion this year, and he can see already hit $4.7 billion market. Okay, this category, this narrative has $4.7 billion market right now. So this is amazing, and in this video I will show you top 7 best AI agents cryptos that has potential to be the next 1,000x coins here. But friend, before that, if you not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel for other cryptocurrencies updates there. Just like I share you Chill Guy coin. You can see friends. Okay, I already told you about KKS, FAR, ShoreUp, and NPC. They were 2x. Okay, 2x in past couple of days. After this, I told you about Shiruniku, Chill Guy, Braid, and Turbo. And right now, you can see Chill Guy coin pump awesome. You can see more than 15% pump here. So I give you also meme coin signal also, so you have to also join my Telegram channel, link in description. So friends, our first meme coin is AI16Z. Okay, this is a AI agent, AI meme. You can see friends, $0.18 current price drop by 5% here. Current market $207 million here. This is amazing. $50 million trading volume in last 24 hours. 1 billion coin supply, all the circulation, Solana ecosystem coin. You can see friends, artificial intelligence means AI coin, AI meme, AI agent, AI framework, and made in USA. So these narratives are amazing. Definitely in this year, Mega Bullion, Super Cycle, meme coins, Mega Bullion, this meme coin can perform amazing. Already enter in US market. Also, you can see friends, Kraken has already listed this coin, BitGet, and mostly since like exchanges already list this coin. You can see friends, crypto.com is also here. So this coin has definitely potential to be the next maybe 10 to 20 billion dollars market coin here. Friends, our second AI agent coin is AIXPT by Virtual. You can see friends, $0.13 current price pumped by 10% last 24 hours, 31% last 7 days, $114 million market. So this is good. $65 million trading volume in last 24 hours, 1 billion coin supply, 855 in circulation. This is base ecosystem. Okay, AI16Z was the Solana ecosystem, but this is base ecosystem coin. After that, launched on Solana also, but basically launched in Bash. So you can see friends, AI meme, AI agent also. And this is good, and this coin is already listed on Binance also. We are at 6% down than its all-time high, so this is also good. And in buying range also, Binance is list this meme coin in sport also. You can see friends, 21% volume is on Binance exchange, so this is good. Press number third is Parley I $0.12 current price drop by 6% here. Current market $113 million, $11 million trading volume, 1 billion coin supply, Ethereum ecosystem coin. You can see friends, artificial intelligence and virtual reality and PAL AI launchpad, AI agent, AI application, AI framework made in USA. So this is good. Narrative are really amazing. We are 85% down than its all-time high also. And friends, you can see this coin, this meme coin is still not listed on tier 1 central exchanges just like previous two coins. Okay, you can see still there's no Binance Coinbase yet, so this is good. They will be listed on many other major central exchanges. Then this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market meme coin also, from 113 million to maybe 10 to 20 billion dollars also. Number fourth is Fala. You can see friends, $0.1 current price, $95 million market right now for Fala. This is good. $22.1 million trading volume in last 24 hours. 1 billion coin supply, 786 in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem coin. After that, launched on Sora ecosystem and Polycar also. But you can see friends, AI meme coin, AI agent, AI framework, and also made in USA. So these narratives are amazing for Fala coin, and definitely Fala has also potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. Purchase symbol $0.009 current price. Current market is just $70.8 million. Okay, trading volume is also very low, $181,000 only. So Ethereum ecosystem coin, you can see friends, AI coin, layer 1, AI agent launch pat. So this is good. Narratives are again amazing for this coin. We are 96% down than its all-time high. There was in previous year bull run. Okay, 2021's bull run. It's still you can see friends, only three central exchanges that list this coin: MEXC, Gate.io, and KuCoin exchanges already list. So it's still lots of central exchange listing left for this coin. This coin is very good, but as its market cap is very low as compared to all other four meme coins, and its exchange listings are also very low. You can see just three central exchanges as list this coin. So this AI agent coin can be highly risky and highly rewarded also. Okay, but friends, you can see MEXC and Get.io has also listed this coin, and all other coins you can also buy from these both central exchanges. If you not have MEXC and Get.io account yet, I provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can also join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched best meme coin and AI agents before listing on major central exchanges. Friends, number six coin is Cookie Style. You can see friends current price it hit $14, pumped by 3% in last 24 hours, 5% last 7 days. But due to the last 30 days entire crypto market was dumping, so its price is also dumped by 22% here. $63 million current market cap. Market cap is still good, $12.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Previous coins were on Bass chain, on Solana chain, Ethereum chain, but friends, this coin is working on BNB chain. Okay, you can see Binance ecosystem meme coin, artificial intelligence marketing AI agent. This is good. Binance Sport Alpha. So this is also good. 81% down than its all-time high. There was 3 months ago, and this coin is also new. Here you can see 4 months ago launched here. This is amazing, friends. Already listed on Binance, so this is good. 19% trading volume on Binance. Coinbase is also listed as coin, so that's why this meme coin, this AI agent, has potential to be the next $1 billion crypto. First, number seven and last AI agent coin is Solidus AI Tech. AI Tech is symbol 290 current price, dropped by almost 10% last 7 days, 25% last 30 days. Current market cap right now $44.6 million. Right now market cap is also dumped here. $11.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Current trading volume right now is also going down here. BNB ecosystem coin, you can see friends, also launched on Best artificial intelligence coin and AI agents, Binance Alpha Spotlights, Chain GPT Launchpad. So this is good. We are 94% down than its all-time high though 1 year ago, and also 140% up than its all-time low. Also HDX, MEXC, these central exchanges is only list this coin. BitGet is here. Address mostly central exchanges is list this coin. Bluefin and Coin Store, but still there's no Coinbase Binance yet for this coin. But definitely this narrative coin has amazing hype in crypto market. So definitely this coin has also possible that we can see its listing on Binance. So friends, these are the top 7 best AI agents coin, AI cryptos that has potential to give us 1000x return in this year mega bullion. But friends, this video is not any financial advice video. If you're not making investment here, do your own research and then invest here.